Introducing the Mini Coater Classic from Caleva, designed for effortless lab-scale coating of tablets, pellets, capsules, and more. With the ability to coat as little as a single tablet, capsule, or just a few grams of pellets, the Mini Coater Classic enables faster coating trials, reduces material waste, and lowers development costs. Thanks to these small batch sizes, the Mini Coater Classic is perfect for small-scale formulation development, coating trials, and proof-of-concept experiments, delivering a reliable and efficient coating solution in your lab. In addition, with typical coating and drying times ranging from just 15 to 30 minutes and a rapid disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly process, you can complete multiple experiment iterations in a single day. Continuing with its user-friendly design, the intuitive touchscreen controls let you accurately adjust key process parameters all in one place. Choose between a stopwatch or timer function for your experiments, then adjust your airflow, process heat, atomizing air pressure, and pump speed to perfectly suit your materials. If you're interested in learning more about the Mini Coater Classic or would like to book a live demonstration, then visit www.caleva.com/mcc.